So, for the first step, before Faith gets here, we need to soak cashews, and I already did it. But what you're gonna do is put 2/3 of cashews, regular cashews, in a measuring cup, and then put it in water so it can soak, and let it soak. Let it soak for as long as possible. When she gets here, I guess you'll know why we're soaking cashews. Like, you would never think of cashews being in what we're making, but it is because it's gonna be vegan. Ingredient number 1 is extra virgin olive oil. Ingredient number 2 is garlic. Ingredient number 3, minced garlic. Ingredient number 3 is an onion, a yellow onion to be specific. Ingredient number 4 is garlic powder. Ingredient number 5 is vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar. Ingredient number 6 is cashews, raw. Ingredient number 7 is pasta, elbows specifically. Ingredient number 8, nutritional yeast seasoning.
Yes.
Ingredient number 9, crushed red pepper. Ingredient number 10, ground mustard. Ingredient number 11, onion powder.
Yeah.
Ingredient number 12, a potato, what's it called?
Russet potato.
A russet potato. And we are making amazing vegan mac and cheese.
Woo!
Okay, so first you're going to get out a medium pot, and then you're going to get out a medium or large pan and put those on the stove. Then you are going to want to boil some water in the pot that you just got out. Next, you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. And then we tried to move it around the pan as much as it could. Next, you are going to want to take your onion and cut about 1.5 cups of it. Then you're just going to want to put it in the pan. Now we're going to start peeling our potato, and then once you're done with that, you're going to start cutting it up. Specifically 1 cup of that. You're also going to want to try and cut it into small pieces. We forgot to film this part, but you're going to want to put 3 cloves of garlic in the pan with the onions and stir it on medium heat. Then take your potatoes and pour them into the pan. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard powder, and then just a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now you're just gonna stir that up. And now you're gonna take the soaked cashews from earlier with the water and pour them into the pan and then stir them. Your water should be boiling by now, so you can just pour the macaroni in it and start cooking it. Now you're going to take all the stuff from the pan and put it in your blender of choice. And then you're only going to want to blend it for a little bit. Then put 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. After you add those, you're going to want to blend it until smooth. Once your macaroni is done cooking, you're going to want to strain it and then put it into a bowl. Then add your sauce that you just made, or vegan cheese. Stir it until you think all of your homemade vegan cheese is stirred into it. And then I like to add salt to mine, and then I stir it some more, and then you're done. And you are ready to serve.
Okay, so now we're gonna have try the vegan mac and cheese.
Ten out of 10 stars.
Thank you guys for watching.